This is lab 7-4, comprehensive case, Dillard store data, creating KPIs in Excel. In this lab, I want to compare total sales across all Dillard store year over year, month over month, and day over day, and creating it as a KPI. So the first thing I want to do is open my Excel. I want to go to insert, there's data, get data from database, SQL Server. I'm going to put in the server name, database, like the last lab, and my SQL Server statement. And when I get all that in, I'll be right back and explaining it. I'm going to go ahead and press OK.
I will go ahead and press
OK. Well, I had an error, but all right, now here we go. I will load my data. I'll be right back when it finishes. I was also missing a parentheses, but it went through. Thank you. What I'm going to do now is go to pivot column, changes to amount, and then I want to press. Oh, actually, go back. I'm going to go through the year column and the transform pivot column. Just making sure I click the correct column. I'm going to press OK. Now my data has been transformed and I'm ready to load into Excel. So from the home button on the queries editor ribbon, I'm going to click close and load. So close and load, here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and create a pivot table. So I'm going to go to insert pivot table. I want to select query 2 for 1 second. Going back, I'm going to select only one box, pivot table, query run, and then I'm going to do add to this data model. Press OK. And then once this has been created, I can now measure and the KPI using Excel's Power Pivot capabilities. And Excel has a way to supercharge its conditional formatting by creating KPIs in Power Pivot. What I'm going to do next is navigate to the Power Pivot. I go to measures, new measure. I'm going to change the measure name to 2014 sales general course equals sum of 2014 parentheses, okay. I'll do it again twice for 2015, 2016. Parentheses. I'm gonna do it one more time. Press OK. Now when I create a KPI to compare 2015 sales to 2014 and 2016 sales to 2015 in Power Pivot, so I'm going to go to new KPI. I'm going to do 26 sales here, 2016 sales. I'm going to do the measure 2015 sales. I'm going to change my target. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to do this one more time. This time we're going to do 2015, 2014. Change target to 102, 98. Keep this icon as so. So now that I've created both my KPIs, I can see them in my pivot table over here to the right, 2015, 2016. And if I expand my KPI field, as so, I can see the FX value, the goal, and the status. So the value, the 2016 sales, is the actual sale totals, and the goal is 2015 sale totals, and the status is the stoplight icons, as right here. And I'm going to create a pivot table that shows the KPI status 2015 and 2016 sales by month. So I'm going to go over here, the month in rows, and I'm going to change these values. So I'll be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and do is take out the values 2014, and I only want to keep the values of 2015 sales status and 2016 sales status. So I'm going to take this out, take this out. Perfect. And then I'm going to go here. Oops, excuse me. We go to my pivot table. Pivot table, click goal. 1 second. So I have to click status for 2016, and then I have to click the status for 2015, and this is how I get to see how close the goals are. And the next thing I'm going to do is, so I'm going to go ahead and take off the 2015 sales and the 2016 sales. So, and I can only see the 2016 sales status and the 2015 sales status. This is really good to use KPI and differentiating the 2 years to kind of see how far off the numbers are. And that is the end of lab 7-4 comprehensive case, Dillard store data, creating KPIs in Excel.